Come test drive the 2016 Mustang. The Mustang is race-worthy and ready for the track. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, headlights auto off, mirror memory, navigation system, backup camera, HD radio, Sirius satellite radio. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.